Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738 481382, and today we have a 2007 Lexus IS250 Prestige, stock reference number 4008. This shape runs from the 11th month 2005 through to the 6th month 2013. It has a 4GR 2.5 litre V6 petrol engine backed by an automatic rear-wheel drive transmission. 4GR 2.5 litre V6 petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage on the front end. We have the right hand fog light, left hand fog light. This vehicle is fitted with factory 16-inch alloy mags. The left front has an average tyre, left power door mirror. Both left hand doors appear to have no damage. We have the left hand sill skirt, left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with the average tyre, left tail light, left boot lid garnish. It's got a tidy rear boot bumper cover. Boot lid appears to have no damage. Right hand boot lid garnish, right hand tail light, right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with an average tyre, right hand sill skirt. Both right hand doors appear to have no damage. Right power door mirror and a right front 16-inch factory alloy mag with an average tyre. With the driver's side door trim, power window master switch, power fold type. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior. It's got a black leather centre console lid, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, factory 6-stack CD player, climate control, heater controls, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunroof type, left sun visor, right sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio, paddle shift and display buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.